Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Moonpay to Binance. First, you have to log into your Moonpay account, then make sure that your Moonpay account is verified. That's if your account is not verified, then you can transfer your cryptocurrency, or you can buy or sell your cryptocurrency in Moonpay. Now you have to click on this wallet icon here, and in this wallets you will find some currencies available in your account. There are 4 currencies available in my account for primary, but there is no USDT wallet in my account. To get USDT wallet, you just need to click on assets. Then from here, you just need to click on discover more assets. After clicking on it, you will find this type of page, and from here you just need to search for USDT. And you can see this is the Tether is the USDT. You just need to select it, and from here you just need to buy a certain amount of USDT to your account. You can use your bank account to complete this payment, and you can purchase USDT. After purchasing the USDT, you can find USDT wallet in your wallet section. For example, I'm going to transfer Ethereum. It is the same process. I'm going to click on Ethereum wallet here, and after clicking on it, you will find this type of interface. Click on this 3 dot button and you will find the send option. Simply click on send, and then you have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to send. Then you just need to click on continue. After that, you must need to ask for the recipient's address, that Bitcoin address, and you must need to ask that person that you want to send the USDT, that their USDT address. They can find their address from their Binance account, and you can just copy that address and paste it here, and make sure that it is completely correct for avoiding any type of hassle. That's how your recipients will get the USDT that you send, and that's how you can transfer USDT from your Moonpay account to Binance. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.